All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and create a bunch of videos really quickly. You can create like hundreds, thousands, I guess, if you really wanted to, and you had time to upload every one of them. But anyways, you're going to be a ChatGPT. I am a paid subscriber to ChatGPT, so I have access to GPT-4, like a lot of people do. And so your prompt is going to be kind of generally like this. You can try to be nice to ChatGPT. You want a spreadsheet created. So what I'm going to do is I'm creating a spreadsheet, make money online stuff, and I'm going to ask it, do you understand the request so far? And so we're going to go ahead and click that, and he's going to go ahead, he or it is going to come back and say, yes, I get what you're saying, and it's going to kind of give me an example of exactly what I need. So I'm going to stop generating that. So you can create like up to about 25. 20 is a good number to put in, and then you can come back in here and just say continue, keep making more and more, whatever. So what you're going to end up doing is you're going to create a Google Sheet or an Excel file, whatever you prefer, and what you're going to have across the top are your headings, right? Topic, question, and answer. It's very, very important you have it as a heading, as a topic. And so what you're going to do next is once you have that spreadsheet all filled out, like I have one over here of over 300 ChatGPT topics, questions, and answers. And you're going to see why you're going to need that in a minute here. So in this next part of the video, we're going to come over here to Canva. Now here we are in Canva. You're going to create a new design, and you're going to create a mobile video design, which you're going to look for. Then what you're going to want to do is put in a video that's going to kind of be representative of what you want, and you're going to set that as a video background. So I've done that now, and then I'm going to come over here, and with short videos, you want it to be about 7 seconds long. Then you're going to just go ahead and come here, and you're going to add a heading right there. And I've got a spreadsheet, like I said in my last video, of all of these pre-created things that ChatGPT made for me. And so I'm going to go ahead and say that. And so these are all like make money online type things, right? So let's go ahead and make that a little bit bigger. So it's called online beauty consultation. And we're going to go ahead and select all, and we're going to go ahead and change that color to a white like that. And then we're going to come in here and we're going to say effects, and we're going to go ahead and give it a background. We don't want black really. We want more of like a darker gray like that. Okay. And now that's your topic now. So remember the 3 columns we created: topic, question, and answer. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add another heading, and we're going to put that right smack dab in the middle of the page. Put this up as high as possible in that box. Come down here, and we're going to go ahead and type in the first question, which is this here. Boom. And then we're going to go back over here again. We're going to go to effects, effects, and we're going to go ahead and give it a background. I believe it was like 40, something like that. So now we have that, and we're going to make the text a little bigger. How can I start an online beauty consultation business? All right, cool. Now we're going to go ahead and put down another one with the actual answer that people will be looking for, right? And we're going to go ahead and copy and paste that in there from our spreadsheet, and boom, we're going to do that, and we're going to make this text bigger like that so people can read it, right? Okay, now the next part is going to be kind of tricky, not really tricky, but you got to kind of pay attention here. So let me go ahead and finish up this effects thing here, and we'll come down, to that, and we'll go back down to about 40, like so. Okay, so it's about the same color. And then what we're going to do is we're going to place, first off, we're going to come down here, and we're going to right click on that, and we're going to go ahead and say show timing. So what you're going to do is you're going to play about 5 seconds. I'd say about 5 seconds, right? And then we're going to start the next one here, your answer. And this is very important. You want to hide the timing again. Or, excuse me. Oh, hold on. There we go. So we're going to show timing on that one. And you're going to make it only 1.5 seconds long. You do 1.5 seconds because it's not going to give them enough time to read it. And what that's going to do is encourage people to come back and keep watching the video. So basically, start there. You're going to have like a 1-second pause there, and they're going to end up here getting the answer. All right, cool. So those are in place. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to move this more towards the middle. So you just kind of layer it over the top. All right, so now you've got like 300 of these in a spreadsheet. You don't want to do these one by one. Not a problem. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. All right, so I've named this mobile video template so we know. And one of the things you're going to do is you want to come to app and you're going to type in bulk. The first time you do it, you're going to pull up what we need next. It's the bulk create. But since I already have bulk create, it's never going to find it again. So basically, the first time you're going to go to it, you're going to go to app, you're going to search there, and it's going to bring it up. Once you have bulk create brought up, what you're going to do is you're going to say enter data manually. Then you're going to clear the table. All right. Then what you want to do is you want to copy from your spreadsheet, your Excel, your Google Sheets. I use Google Sheets. You're just going to copy the header. Now make sure you do it just like I'm telling you right now. Is what you'll want to do is you'll want to do a Control-C or Command-C if you're on a Mac like me, and you'll come over here, highlight that cell, and do Control-V or Command-V, paste it. Don't try to use your mouse to do that. It'll just frustrate you. Then what you're going to want to do is, copy like about, 15, 20 of these. I'm going to tell you, these are very easy to make, but they take a while to post. And I'm going to give you some tips in my last video of where to post on these. And then you're going to do it again. So I just did a Command-C, Control-C, and I'm going to come in here and do that. So now I've got all this, and I'm going to say done. Alrighty. So now we're going to start plugging in the data into this, and you're going to see the madness of this, and your light bulb should go off in your head at this point. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to actually connect the data. So the first one is topic. So now we've connected the topic, right? The second one we're going to connect the data is the question, right? The third one is the answer. We're going to connect the data right there to answer, right? Now what you want to do is move this back over the top of the question. You want to keep it all nice and neat. And now you're going to come down here and you're going to say complete. And now it's applying all these data. So I made like 20 of these. Now, here's where the magic comes in. At this point in time, you can create 25 of these just like this. So you hit that next button there, and boom, it creates 27-second videos or however many it had there. Now, so when I click that button, boom, it created 20 of these or 25 or however many I have. Now, one of the things I did see wrong on the other tutorial is you should always add some audio to it. So what I usually do is I add something upbeat. I don't know. We'll just add this one here. Make sure your cursor's at the beginning of the video, and then we're going to see how this all works here when I hit play. And voila, all those videos are done. Now you're probably saying to yourself, well, I don't want the same, scene on each video. And I get that 100%. I don't do that until I don't do anything with this until I change the background. So I come back to my videos, and so the first one's a keyboard. This one we can do that, right? Make sure you take them all back down to 7 seconds. Like so. And on the video, you want to say replace the background, and boom, now you got a new video, and so on and so forth. Once you're done, you can share all these, and one key point on sharing it, when you download it, make sure you select download pages and separate files. Then you get 25 individual videos, and from there you can upload them to TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, you name it. You're going to have so many flipping videos so quickly that you'll be able to upload them in any niche. Now, one thing a little key tip here is make sure you have a website set up to either promote a product or to collect an email. I can't stress that enough. Make sure you have a website set up ready to do that, and that's it really. It's pretty simple, pretty quick. These videos look really cool. They're 7 seconds a piece. That's about all the attention span it seems like humans have anymore. And anyways, my name is Mark Z. Hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial on how to create, basically, I guess what they call them is headless YouTube channels, or basically AI created YouTube channels. But I think this is a very, very beneficial little tutorial. I got this from a YouTube video, which I will actually link below in the description for this. All right, one last real quick video here. As you can see, I've changed out all the different backgrounds now. I've just loaded different backgrounds. So now I've got 20 of these 7-second videos, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by downloading these. So you want to download these as separate pages. So I'm going to click the download button, and once it's downloaded, it's going to download as a zip file. Now my process, what I do from this point on, is I have a text file with keywords already set in there, my URL that I'm going to go ahead and point this video to, or put it in the comments or whatever, so somebody can go to this if they want to learn more. And basically mine is just a lead capture page is all it is, but yours can be an actual product if you want. I mean, if you want to sell like cooking lessons, you want to make a bunch of cooking videos, you could actually use that to point it right to your YouTube site or whatever, and go from there. Or however you want to use it. It's just basically a tool to get people to like start watching these videos, liking them really quick, and then maybe you decide, hey, this is kind of cool stuff, and go check out their site, page, opt in, whatever. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to add that last part on because I wanted to let you know that what's going to happen is you can see I'm just downloading it. Basically, it's putting them onto a zip file. And when the zip file comes back, they're coming back as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. MP4 files. And so I try to keep this open to reference like what is it that it's talking about, because once you start creating these, you have no idea what it is. You have to like reference back here to figure out what the video is. So now my zip file is done. It's downloaded my downloads folder, and what I do is I have another folder out there with a date and time or whatever, and I put it in there, unzip it all, and that way I can access all the videos files and upload them to wherever. I've been just doing this for like half a day now, and I've uploaded probably well over now 70 videos to different channels like Instagram. I don't have a TikTok anymore, but Instagram, Pinterest. I have a Pinterest account still. 2 different YouTube channels I have. One I just created that's a totally headless channel, I guess you would call it, or total AI channel. And then of course I'm going to probably create a video out of all these videos so someone can actually learn how to do this for free if they want to. Yeah, I'm not going to try to sell this course. I'm done trying to sell courses because I think the best information out there is free. And if you really want to learn how to do something, I just did myself personally. I saw this video that I'm linking in the profile below, the original video. Basically, I sat there and I watched it and said, oh yeah, this is really easy. I'm going to do this. And I was actually on my vacation, so I didn't have time to mess with it. And I said, yeah, I want to learn how to do that. I'm going to create a headless YouTube channel, and sure enough, I was able to do it. So anyways, you can do anything you apply, set your mind to. Once again, this is Mark Z. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn on notifications so you know when another one of my videos comes out. All right, man. That's it for me. Peace out.